Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to trim video in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open CapCut. Now go to New Project. And here you can select the video that you'd like to edit. You can also select multiple videos to merge them. Then tap on Add button. Here, select the video and just move the white bar till the point you wanna cut it. Then you can move the video to the point where you wanna cut, aligning to the white line. Now tap on split option. And now you can cut the part you wanna delete. And that is how you can trim video in CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.